The value of assets held by the pension industry decreased by 21% from $2.1 billion in March 2023 to $1.66 billion at the close of the first quarter of 2024. This is according to the latest report from the Insurance and Pensions Commission. Over the 3-month period, the total income for the quarter ended 31 March 2024 was $1.23 billion compared to $444 million for the quarter ended 31 March 2023. This translated to a nominal increase of 176% in US dollar terms against inflation of 55.3%. Musa Wenkosi Dzeka, a financial analyst, weighed in on the performance of the sector.
The state of the pensions industry is not pleasing at all. We only have 481 active funds and 372 funds are under dissolution, which means that pension funds are saying to members, let's just dissolve this thing and maybe they can find greener pastures in terms of how they can fund their retirement. In terms of the assets, there was a decrease in real value from 2 billion to 1.6 billion over the past year, and from 5 billion to 1.6 billion over the past 6 years. There hasn't been growth at all. It's just loss after loss. In terms of its income, 76% comes from fair value gains, 4.1% from contributions, and which means that there's less money to actually fund any new projects or even to fund some of the prescribed assets that are coming in. And we have 0.8% rental yield on property against a market average of about 6 to 8%. And property commands most of these assets for the industry, 49% of total assets, which means they're not getting money from their largest asset class. In terms of its expenditure, 48% are going to admin costs, which speaks to the high cost of doing business in Zimbabwe, because even the pension funds administrators would also want some money so that they can properly operate and service the pension funds. Now, there are a lot of pain points in the industry, being the expenses framework, which is limiting administrators in terms of the way they can service their pension funds. We also have the volatile economy. We have had 6 currency reforms.
Konapo, ipapo pa ZTN Prime, DSTV channel 294, the place to be.